If your Nintendo Switch is stuck during an update, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart the console. Turn off your Nintendo Switch by holding the power button for about 12 seconds until it shuts down. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on to see if the update resumes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to System Settings, select Internet, and test your connection to confirm it is working properly. Step 3. Clear the cache. Navigate to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select Formatting options. Choose Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the update to hang. Step 4. Update manually. If the automatic update is stuck, try to update manually. Go to System Settings, select System, then Software Update, and choose via the Internet to initiate the update process. Step 5. Contact Nintendo Support. If none of the above steps work, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo Support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help with repairs if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Nintendo Switch being stuck during an update. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional help.